How's it going, guys? I am Victor. Welcome to RV Time channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to possibly fix rattling noise in your RV AC unit. It started happening on our last camping trip, and it got me a little bit concerned because it sounded like something got loose inside, and I was worried that it's going to cause the entire unit to break down. To fix the problem, first, take out the AC unit cover. It's held in place by 4 Phillips screws. Once you take them out, the cover comes right out. Next, we can try to replicate the vibration caused by the AC compressor and the fan blower motor. And by doing this, I can clearly see that the rattling noise is caused by this loose AC capacitor metal cover. Another thing that I noticed when I spun the fan, besides the rattling noise, there was also quite a bit of play in the shaft. And if I looked from the side, I could also see some of the lubricating oil coming out of the motor. It definitely doesn't look right, and I'm certainly going to check this motor out, but that's going to be a topic for another video. Stay tuned for that. Once I took off the metal cover for the capacitor, I noticed there was a thick foam piece on the bottom that is meant for absorbing all of the vibration coming from the compressor. And it looked like over time, that piece of foam got sliced through by the metal cover, and at this point, it's no longer absorbing all of the vibration, hence the rattling sound. To replace that foam piece, you can loosen the bracket for the capacitor and move it out of the way. Just be very careful, make sure it doesn't hold any charge, because those can zap you pretty bad. I didn't have any similar foam pieces at hand, so instead I replaced it with a soft, sticky Velcro tape. It's a lot thinner, but hopefully it's still gonna work, and if not, it's just gonna be a temporary solution until I can get proper replacement part. So I put everything back together, and after that I did the same test, and the rattling noise was gone. Alright, I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. Thanks, have a nice day.